Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you this beautiful strawberry pattern. You can use this pattern to make crochet earrings and you can use it in decoration buttons as well. So let's get into the video. For this project, I am using a 4mm steel crochet hook and a 3-ply cotton yarn. So first of all, wrap the yarn around fingers, leaving a 8 to 9 inches strand, and with the help of hook make a magic ring like this. Start the first round, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now make chain 1 here, wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into this magic ring, and draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our crochet hook. Pull the yarn through first 2 loops and then through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Make chain 1, make double crochet into the magic ring, chain 1, a double crochet into the magic ring, again chain 1, double crochet into the magic ring. In this way we would make total of 12 double crochet stitches plus chain 1. I have made 12 double crochet stitches. Now pull the starting yarn to close the magic ring, make chain 1, and here is our 4th chain. Make a slip stitch into this 3rd chain here, and pull this yarn. Now with the help of cutter, cut this yarn strand and remove the other yarn strand. Now I am using a tapestry needle to weave this yarn end. So with the help of needle, just pull this yarn strand to the back side and then pull this needle through some backside stitches and cut this extra yarn strand. Now we would use other color. I am using a red color yarn. Make a slip knot of this yarn first. Start from any chain 1 space and join this yarn in chain 1 space and make chain 1, chain 2, and then chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 2 into this chain 1 space, then make double crochet 3 in this same space. Now we have a set of 3 double crochet stitches here. Now we would work into the next chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. Go into the next chain 1 space. After double crochet stitch, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3 into it. Then work in the next chain 1 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and then double crochet 3. So in this way, in total of 12 chain 1 spaces, make 12 set of 3 double crochet stitches. So I have completed double crochet stitches for the second round. Now make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain, and our second round is also completed. Now we would work in this space between these set of 3 double crochet stitches. So make a slip stitch into the double crochet stitch after chain 3, then make a slip stitch into the third double crochet stitch, and then we would make a slip stitch in this space between these set of 3 double crochet stitches. From here we would start our next round. So make 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet in every round. Make 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochet in this space. Now work in the space which is between next 2 set of 3 double crochet stitches. Make 3 double crochets in it, then go into the next space between set of 3 double crochet stitches. Make 3 double crochet stitches in it, then we would go into the next space and we would make 3 double crochet stitches into it. Go into the next space and make 5th set of 3 double crochet stitches. This is our 5th set. After these 5 sets, 6th space would be skipped, so I am skipping this space and working in the next 2 set of double crochet stitches. So we would make 3 double crochet stitches in this space. So it would look like this. Now make 5 set of 3 double crochet stitches on this side. So I have made 5 sets here. Now we would skip this next space again and we would make a slip stitch into the third chain. Again we would work in the space between set of 3 double crochet stitches for the next round. So make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, and then in the space between 3 double crochet stitches. So make 3 chains and make 2 double crochet stitches in this space. Go into the next space, make 3 double crochet stitches in it, then go into the next space and into the next one and make 3 double crochet stitches set. So we have 4 sets now. Again we would skip this next space, work into the second space, making 3 double crochet stitches in it. So now in this next round we have 4 set of 3 double crochet stitches on both sides. So I have made 4 set of double crochet stitches. Again skip this one and we would make a slip stitch into the third chain. Make a slip stitch into the next double crochet stitch, then into the next one, and then into the space in which we are working for the next round. So make 3 chains and 2 double crochet stitches in this space, and then we would make 3 double crochet stitches in the next space. This is our second set of 3 double crochet stitches. Then we would make a set of 3 double crochet stitches, which is our third set, and in this round we would make 3 set of 3 double crochet stitches, skipping the next space and working into the next one. So in this pattern, in every round, one set of 3 double crochet stitches would be decreased on both sides because we are working in round. So in this side, we would make 3 set of double crochet stitches containing 3 double crochets. So after this round, skipping this place, make a slip stitch into the third chain, and into the next round we would just make set of 3 double crochet stitches 2 times, which is this round, and then we would make 1 time like here in our decreasing pattern. Now this is our last round, second last round is made. So in this space make chain 3 and 2 double crochet stitches, and after that we would work in this space on the opposite side, making 3 double crochet stitches into it. And now we would make a slip stitch into the third chain right here. Now pull this yarn, cut it with the help of cutter, and remove the extra yarn strand. And we would weave this yarn end with the help of needle. So weave this yarn end from side stitches of these both sets of 3 double crochet stitches. By making a knot like this way, you can see, and our stitches would not get loose this way by making a knot. Now just pull the needle from inside these stitches and then cut the extra yarn strand. Now we would use this yarn strand to make chains. You can make chains, which I will show you in starting as well. I forgot to make these chains in start, so I will pull this yarn strands to the front side with the help of needle like this. And now this yarn is on the upper side. We would use this crochet hook to make chains. So start making chains. Chain 1, chain 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So make 8 chains, then 9 and 10. 8 are a little bit less. Pull this yarn strand. Use a needle again to weave this yarn end on the other side stitches like I am showing in the video. This yarn is a little bit short. Make 10 to 12 inches long yarn strand in the starting. So now this strawberry is ready. You can use it in keyrings as well. So I hope you guys like this tutorial video. Give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos. Thank you for watching.